Regular maintenance of IMO signs is essential to ensure their continued effectiveness. Over time, exposure to sunlight, salt spray, vibration, and temperature fluctuations can degrade signs, causing fading, warping, or peeling. Vessels must inspect signs periodically as part of their planned maintenance systems, particularly during monthly safety inspections and annual surveys. Damaged or unreadable signs must be replaced immediately to avoid compromising emergency readiness. Signs located in high-traffic areas or on open decks require more frequent checks due to higher risk of physical wear or obstruction. Cleaning schedules should include wiping signs free of dirt, oil, or soot that may accumulate over time. Photoluminescent signs must be checked in low-light conditions to ensure they still emit sufficient glow. If visibility is compromised, even partially, the sign must be replaced with a new, compliant version. Another common issue is obstruction. Items placed in front of signs, such as stacked equipment, furniture, or temporary partitions, must be relocated or clearly marked so that the sign remains visible. This is especially important during refits or cargo operations, where temporary storage may inadvertently block safety information. Signs should never be obstructed during drills or daily operations, and this principle must be communicated clearly to all crew. A record of signage inspections and replacements must be maintained on board. These records are reviewed during audits and port state control inspections. The safety officer or designated safety representative is typically responsible for overseeing signage maintenance and reporting discrepancies to the ship's master. Proactive management ensures that no part of the emergency signage system is neglected, keeping the vessel in constant readiness.